Question number 29. The diagram shows a screen that is distance L from a diffraction grating. This is a diffraction grating. Distance L is given. Okay, grating has a total number of n number of lines. Any two adjacent lines are distance d apart. Okay, so d and n are very much related. Okay, so it is related as d is equal to 1 by n. A beam of parallel rate of wavelength lambda is incident normally on the grating. Okay, normal incidence is happening over here. Which quantities affect the distance between the first order diffraction maxima on the screen? Okay, so this is your first order diffraction maxima. Which of them? So, on what parameters? The question is on what parameters does this first order diffraction maxima depend on? Okay, so this depends on lambda, the distance between the slit and the screen, L, and then it also depends upon the slit width, d over here. Okay, now let us see. Depends on d, lambda, and L. It does not depend on n because d is directly inversely proportional to n, so you can easily get from here. So therefore, the answer is A over here. Okay.